Okay, so we just discussed the different vocabulary. Everybody feels comfortable with the vocabulary words that we're going to need to know for tomorrow's class? Mm-hmm. Yes? Okay. So next, I just passed out indicators. What did I pass out?
Indicators.
Good, indicators. What is an indicator? An indicator is a tool used to measure. So in this case, we are using these indicators to measure the pH levels of different liquids. Okay, so what's an indicator?
A tool used to measure.
A tool used to measure. Excellent, good. Okay, so everybody touch your indicator. Hold your indicators. All right. What do you notice about the indicator? There are different what?
Colors.
There are different colors. And right beside your indicator, there are numbers. What do you think those numbers represent?
The levels.
The levels of pH in the water. Good. So, something else that I notice when I look at the indicator, I notice that the red says below 7. What does that mean to you? Red is below 7. Below 7 what?
It's below like the normal amount.
Okay, so
the basic amount.
Okay, so good noticing. Right on the purple, there is a line that says what?
Neutral.
Neutral. Okay, we talked about it when we discussed the vocabulary. Having a neutral level of pH is important, right? Why is it important to determine the pH level of different liquids?
To know what is like in your house and around your environment.
Okay, excellent. Why is it important? If we want to stay neutral and your drinking water is high in pH, we might have to do what? We might have to treat the water, right, so that it's less acidic, yes. Right? Because we said that the lower the pH level is more of a base, and as the pH levels rise, it becomes more acidic. Okay, so let's everybody hold your indicators in your hands. All right, touch the red. What does the red say?
Vinegar.
Oh, good. So an example of a below 7 household item would be vinegar. Okay, so who has vinegar in their house? Everybody has vinegar in their house. What statement can you make about vinegar if we know that this is more of a red is more of a
it's more acidic.
Below 7
is more acidic.
Good. Okay. So, and then what about purple? Purple is
like neutral. It has acidic, but it's also balanced out by water.
Okay. So now, what is an example of purple?
Water.
Good. Let's move to blue. Blue would mean what? The pH level is between a what? 8
and a 9.
8 and a 9. What's an example of a household item?
Baking soda.
Baking soda. Excellent. And then what's the next color on your chart?
Green.
Green. And what's an example of a household item with a pH level of between 10 and 11? Bleach. And last but not least, touch the yellow. The yellow would be household cleaners. Okay, Windex, things like that. They would have a pH level between 11 and 13 on your indicators. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to be using indicators to measure different household items, liquids, and what the pH level is. Okay, what type of job? If we were thinking about what type of job that this would be important, what do you guys think? What type of job would people need to know the different pH levels?
Maybe like a cleaning lady, someone who cleans the house that uses a lot of these.
Okay.
Scientists.
A scientist? What type of scientist? Scientists that deal with what?
Chemicals.
Chemicals or water, right? Somebody that's measuring water and cleanliness of water in lakes right? It's important for the ecosystem that the pH levels are neutral too. So a scientist or an engineer that's working in lakes or rivers with soil, this is important for them to have this background knowledge of pH. And they would use indicators to measure and make sure that there was neutral ground. Okay, so scientists here in my classroom, are we ready tomorrow
Absolutely.
to participate in our lesson with our science class? Yes?
Yes.
Excellent. You really did well today. Thank you.